Tater, what did he do with the bread?
Oh yeah, crew member. Alright. I better go. I'm gonna go wake up Tater with this bloody machine. A taser. Tater has a shot collar. Tater! Let go! I'm awake! Never! Oh, fine, I let go. LOL. I'm awake! You're like an Xbox. Where did all the bread go, Tater? Were you using on your pyramid? No, I'm sorry. And anyway, how'd you electrocute me? Oh, while you were sleeping one night, I dropped a taser. I dropped a tater. Get it? Taser. I dropped a taser in you, so now you have a taser in you that is immovable. So even if you poop or get surgery, it will detonate. Oh man, I am scared now. Why don't we just go to Old Man Joe and the blue guy? No. Never again! Childhood memories! Fantonio, settle down! Settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down, settle down! Settle down! I'm sorry. Fantonio, it's gonna be okay. Fantonio, it's gonna be okay. Whoa, who's that? Oh, that's just someone Old Man Joe had hung because he didn't buy his bread. Oh, no. Hey, what's up, Doc? I'm Mark Wiseman. There's the restaurant. I can't see it from here. I better get a closer look. It may look crummy on the outside, like our restaurant. Just let's go in. Fine. Man, that place does look stupid. This place ain't that bad, but what is that? It was made today. Beasts. Alright, let's keep going. Whoa, you go. Alright, I will do my conquest station. They disturb me. It's me, Fantonio. What? Fantonio! Oh, my good little puppy! Oh. That's Old Man Joe. He's. Whoa, you got a beard now? Oh, come give me a hug, you little pig. Oh, get off me. Look at my strap for my beard. Hello there, Fantonio. So, you see, I ran out of some bread recently. Oh, man, what is a cessel? Let me go make some right now. Cookie the demon. Tater, he's calling you like how I treat you like a dog. No, Cookie Demon. That's Cookie Demon. Sorry, Fantonio, I have to go. I'll go deal with the restaurant. No, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Hey, can I have some of that cookie? It's Cookie Demon. Let him know. Who's this new puppy? Oh, jeez. Son of a donkey. Well, why didn't you say anything? Well, Cookie Demon will bake you some bread. Now, Fantonio, we will catch up on stuff. Now, where's that little tater tot go? Oh, maybe he can watch the bread while you guys bake the bread while we chat. Freedom, yeah. You must stay here, drunken teen. Well, alright, let's go talk about things. Remember, day one, how much bread do you want? Let's say a yearly supply. Yearly supply. Help me. Let's go. Your belly's flexing while you laugh. You know, my belly is my own thing. So, this is your office, you know, this portrait reminds me when I painted it in 1841. Wow, you're that old? Of course I am. So how old are you again? 51? No way, man. How long has it been? When's the last time we've hung out? Since like 1963? I guess so. No! Let's see. I was like 50. I'm like 105 right now.
If we all get 105, we'll get nowhere.
Yeah, that stupid Smash Mouth song. Also, by the way, on Facebook, join Smash Mouth haters. What? Smash Mouth? What? Now, let's watch some TV. Wait a minute. What's that noise? Something in my closet. Ooh, a crew member. Something in my drawer again. Wiseman, what are you doing here? You said I could live here. No, get out. I found new company. Fantonio. Fine. Oh no, my beard. What happened to my beard? Gotta get my beautiful beard back in. Come on, man. Please get out of my house. And my beautiful soul. And local news on Fox 89. I remember when it was Fox -8. So, old man Joe, how's your life been going? No, I've been asleep for 24 years. How's been your life? Did you meet anyone? Did you get a wife yet? Because you were just a kid whenever you came here. Yeah, I had one. Ooh, did you divorce her? Yes. Shame on you. And I divorced the next one. Shame on you. How's it been going? I don't understand. What? Oh, good. Now we can leave. Isn't this our bread? You get the diamond? I'm gonna enjoy my bread from the bakery. Wait, what about our bread?
There's a list.
How many people are on the list?
There's about 5.
Not that bad.
But it takes about an hour.
Where are we on the list?
I'm number 5.
Bread bakeries later.
Oh, it's about time to give me my bread. Now what? Who cares? I'm just gonna take it.
Good, now our bread should come. Who's now? We're number 5.
It's for old man Joe.
This may take forever.
You have to say, Fantonio? Well, then my daddy told me how to ride a bike in 1943, and...
Oh, my bread!
Oh yeah, about the bread. Are we almost done on that? Because I have to get to work. I've been here for 5 hours and...
Oh, no! We still have to talk about when you were a teenager.
But we're only on the part of my life when I was 5.
Ooh, that means we still got an extra 10 years. Thank you, Demon Baker, whatever your name was, I keep forgetting.
What about our bread?
Oh, yeah, we X'd you off the list. Oh, well,
What?
you know, Fantonio, you were always a disgrace.
Yeah, like you grew a beard?
What are you talking about?
What did you do? This wasn't your beard. You shaved in 1961.
No, cooking demon, attack
The fun
him.
part comes just like the zombie shooting. Alright, we're gonna shoot the fat man. Cookie demon.
Ha-ha! What's going on here?
I knocked them out cold.
Alright, good. Bread, we can use it for cooking now.
You know, this situation should have been called BYOB.
Let's just get out of here.
To be continued. Alright, Tater, let's go. You're right.
Let's get out of here.